Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you for watching our page. My name is Paul, owner of All Things Sewer and Drain Care. You can look us up at allthingsdrain.com. We got a call tonight, midnight, in Newington, Connecticut. One of our accounts for a main sewer line clog. We just located an outside clean out. As you can see here, the sewer all the way up to the top. We're going to go ahead and high pressure water jet this, camera inspect it, and see what's going on. Stay tuned. Back, we have successfully jetted the sewer line. Camera inspected it from here all the way out to the city connection, and it's actually flowing so heavy, as you can see, that you really can't see anything because all these complexes are tied into this one line, so we have a lot of usage going on at one time. We know it's flowing and it's going good. I don't see any obstructions or debris. It's probably maybe a feminine product or some type of paper products, but it's going good. We're just going to test the line a little bit more, flush it out more, and thank you for watching our video. You can look us up at allthingsdrain.com.